Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, reset options, and here you have to select the third option, reset all settings, and then confirm it here, and then tap reset all settings one more time, and after that all settings will be reset to default. Your device restart, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.